Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's vocabulary challenge. This video is going to test your knowledge and help you learn some new words along the way. I will ask you a question about each word, and I want you to think carefully. If you know the answer, great. If not, don't worry. This is a fantastic opportunity to learn something new. If you're ready, let's get started. What do you call something that is vague or unclear? Like a concept that is not very well defined or lacks clarity. We can say it is nebulous. Nebulous means unclear, vague, or ill defined. For example, her future plans felt nebulous as she wasn't sure what she wanted to pursue after college. The instructions for the assignment were nebulous, leaving students confused about what was expected. What do you call a person or thing that is a model of excellence or perfection? We can refer to that as a paragon. Paragon means a person or thing regarded as a perfect example of a particular quality. For example, the athlete was a paragon of dedication and hard work. The teacher was a paragon of kindness, always helping her students. He is a paragon of honesty, never telling a lie. What do you call a complex or difficult situation, often one that is hard to escape? We can call that a quagmire. A quagmire. Quagmire means a difficult or precarious position. For example, after the heavy rains, the construction site became a quagmire, slowing down progress significantly. She felt trapped in a quagmire of conflicting responsibilities between work and family obligations. Have you ever noticed something unusual or unexpected, like a sudden change in behavior? Do you know the word for describing that change? We can call that an aberration. An aberration is a departure from what is normal or typical. For example, his bad grade was an aberration. He usually gets A's. The sudden snowstorm in April was an aberration in the weather patterns. Great job, everyone. You have tackled some challenging questions today and learned some new words along the way. Remember, whether you knew the answers or not, every moment is a chance to grow your vocabulary. If you have enjoyed this challenge, be sure to practice these words and use them in your everyday conversations. Keep exploring and learning, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you next time.